Welcome back to Chrome and Coffee. Today we'll be diving into the simple DIY fixes and money-saving tips that mechanics truly don't want everyday drivers to know. If you want to keep your car running smoothly without the high costs of dealership and auto shop repairs, you're in the right place. In today's video, we will reveal the effective car maintenance tips that mechanics may not always want you to know. These are all simple, affordable tasks you can do yourself to save time and money while extending the life of your vehicle. At Chrome and Coffee, we've got you covered, so let's jump right in here. Number 1. Change your oil at home. Changing your car's oil is a fundamental maintenance task that, when done regularly, can prolong your engine's life. But did you know you can do it yourself and save a substantial amount of money? Mechanics typically charge between $75 and $150 for an oil change, but doing it yourself costs a fraction of that at only around $25 to $35. First, buy the correct oil and oil filter for your vehicle. Also, grab a wrench, a drain pan, a funnel, and gloves. Start by warming up the car for a few minutes, as warm oil drains faster. Next, lift the car and remove the drain plug to let the oil flow out. Ensure the oil drains completely before replacing the oil filter and plugging the drain hole back in. Finally, fill the engine with fresh oil, being careful not to overfill it. By doing this yourself, you'll save on labor costs and ensure high-quality materials are used. Plus, it's also a great way to get familiar with your car's engine. Number 2. Replace your cabin air filter. The cabin air filter plays an essential role in keeping the air inside your car fresh by filtering out dust, pollen, and pollutants. Over time, it gets clogged and less effective, leading to musty smells and reduced airflow. Mechanics often charge $50 to $100 for a cabin air filter replacement, but you can do it yourself for as little as $15 to $30. Replacing the cabin air filter is straightforward. Most filters are located behind the glove box or under the dashboard, depending on your vehicle. You simply need to open the compartment, remove the filter housing, and slide the old filter out. Before installing the new one, make sure it's the correct size for your vehicle. This is a quick, inexpensive fix that improves the air quality inside your car. Number 3. Replace windshield wipers yourself. Windshield wipers are essential for clear visibility in bad weather, but replacing them doesn't have to be expensive. Many people get their wipers replaced by mechanics, but this is an easy task you can handle on your own. New wiper blades typically cost $10 to $25, while mechanics charge $40 to $60 for the job. To replace your wipers, simply lift the wiper arms away from the windshield and press the release tab to remove the old blades. Then, attach the new blades and snap them in place. It's important to replace your wipers regularly to ensure safe driving conditions in rain or snow. This small task not only saves you money, but also keeps you safer. Number 4. Maintain proper tire pressure. Proper tire pressure is critical for both safety and efficiency. Underinflated tires can cause poor fuel economy, reduced tire life, and even dangerous blowouts. Instead of paying a mechanic to check your tire pressure every few months, you can do it yourself with a tire pressure gauge, which costs around $10. To check your tire pressure, make sure your car has been parked for a while so the tires are cool. Remove the valve cap from the tire and press the gauge into the valve stem. Compare the reading to the recommended PSI for your vehicle, which can usually be found on a sticker inside the driver's door or in the owner's manual. If the pressure is low, visit a gas station or use a portable air pump to inflate the tire to the correct level. Checking your tire pressure regularly not only helps you save on gas, but also increases the lifespan of your tires. Number 5. Use free diagnostic scans for check engine lights. A check engine light can be a cause for concern, but it's not always as dire as it seems. Mechanics will charge you $100 or more just to diagnose the issue, but you can get this service for free. Many auto parts stores like AutoZone will perform a diagnostic scan at no cost. The diagnostic tool will show an error code that you can use to determine the problem. Common issues include a loose gas cap, a faulty oxygen sensor, or an aging spark plug. Once you have the code, you can decide whether it's something simple you can fix yourself, or whether you need to take it to a mechanic. This free service helps you avoid unnecessary diagnostics fees, while giving you more insight into your car's condition. Number 6. Clean battery terminals with baking soda. If your car is having trouble starting, it might be due to corrosion on the battery terminals. This is a simple issue that you can fix yourself with just a few household items. Mechanics often charge $30 to $50 for cleaning the terminals, but it's an easy DIY fix. Mix a tablespoon of baking soda with water to make a paste and apply it to the terminals. Use an old toothbrush to scrub away the corrosion, then rinse and dry the area. Cleaning the battery terminals ensures better electrical contact and can help prevent starting issues. Number 7. Rotate your tires. Tire rotation is a key part of car maintenance that helps to evenly distribute the wear on your tires, extending their lifespan. Mechanics charge $30 to $50 for this service, but you can easily do it yourself if you have a jack and a lug wrench. Check your owner's manual for the recommended tire rotation pattern on your vehicle. Typically, it's advised that you rotate your tires every 5,000 to 7,000 miles. If you're unsure how to do it, there are plenty of online tutorials that will walk you through the process. Regular tire rotation ensures that your tires wear evenly, which not only helps maintain your vehicle's performance, but also delays the need for expensive replacements. Number 8. Replace spark plugs on your own. Spark plugs are crucial for your engine's performance and efficiency. Over time, they wear out and need to be replaced. Mechanics may charge over $100 for this job, but replacing spark plugs yourself is an easy task that costs just $20 to $40 for the parts. To replace spark plugs, locate them under the hood and remove the old ones using a socket wrench. Be sure to check the gap on the new spark plugs and install them carefully to avoid damaging the threads. Replacing spark plugs regularly can improve fuel efficiency, increase engine performance, and prevent starting problems. Number 9. Don't overdo the coolant flush. Coolant flushes are one of those maintenance services that mechanics recommend more often than necessary. Most cars only need a coolant flush every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, depending on manufacturer recommendations. Instead of taking your car in for unnecessary flushes, you can do it yourself. To flush the coolant, you'll need to drain the radiator and refill it with fresh antifreeze. Be sure to follow the steps in your car's manual and allow the engine to cool before beginning. Doing this yourself saves you money and ensures that your engine stays at the right temperature. Number 10. Wash the undercarriage. The undercarriage of your car is constantly exposed to dirt, road salt, and debris, which can cause rust and corrosion over time. While many car washes offer undercarriage cleaning for an extra fee, you can clean the undercarriage yourself at a self-service car wash. Use the high-pressure spray to target the undercarriage, focusing on the wheel wells, frame, and other areas where salt and grime tend to accumulate. Regular cleaning prevents rust and keeps your car's structural integrity intact, which is especially important during winter months when salt is commonly used on roads. Number 11. Shop for replacement parts. Online. When it comes time to replace parts, mechanics and dealerships often mark up prices significantly. Instead of paying full retail, consider shopping online for the parts you need. Websites like Rock Auto, AutoZone, and Amazon offer a wide range of auto parts for a fraction of the cost. Be sure to check the part's compatibility with your vehicle before purchasing. Many websites also allow you to read reviews from other users so you can make an informed decision. Number 12. Fix small paint scratches. Yourself, scratches on your car's paint not only look bad but can lead to rust if left untreated. Rather than taking your car to a body shop for small scratches, you can fix them yourself using a touch-up kit. Touch-up kits cost around $25 to $50 and come with everything you need to repair minor scratches. Simply clean the area, sand it lightly, apply the paint, and finish with a clear coat. This DIY fix restores your car's appearance and prevents rust, all without the high costs of professional paint jobs. Number 13. Replace burnt-out bulbs. Headlights, taillights, and turn signals are critical for safety, and replacing burnt-out bulbs is an easy task to handle yourself. Mechanics often charge $50 or more to replace a light bulb, but you can do it for less than $10. First, purchase the correct replacement bulb for your vehicle. Then, access the light housing, remove the old bulb, and install the new one. This simple task ensures you stay visible to other drivers and avoid potential fines for broken lights. Number 14. Use fuel system cleaners. Over time, carbon deposits can build up in your fuel injectors, reducing engine efficiency and performance. Instead of paying for an expensive cleaning service, you can use a fuel system cleaner. Fuel system cleaners cost about $10 to $20 and are easy to use. Simply pour the cleaner into your gas tank during your next refueling. The cleaner will help break down carbon deposits and keep your fuel system running smoothly. Regular use of these cleaners can improve fuel economy and prevent costly engine repairs. Number 15. Keep a car maintenance log. A car maintenance log is an invaluable tool for keeping track of all the work done on your vehicle. By writing down the dates and details of each service, you can ensure that you follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule. A log also helps you stay on top of minor repairs, ensuring that small problems don't turn into costly issues down the road. Plus, when it's time to sell your car, a well-maintained log increases the resale value, as buyers know the car has been properly cared for. By following these simple maintenance tips, you'll be able to keep your car in top shape without breaking the bank. Whether you're changing the oil, replacing spark plugs, or cleaning your battery terminals, these DIY fixes will help you save money and avoid unnecessary trips to the mechanic. The more you get involved in your car's maintenance, the more confident you'll become in handling basic repairs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Coolant Coffee for more car maintenance tips and tricks. See you in the next video.